Hello, I'm here today with Dr. Theodore Harold Schwartz, Professor of Neurosurgery and Neuroscience at New York Presbyterian Hospital, and we're going to be discussing the topic of abusing anabolic steroids and the effects it has on your brain and your body as a whole.
Thank you for having me today. I look forward to talking to you about this fascinating topic.
So tell me, just lay it on me. Tell me about the big S word. In your medical and scientific opinion, how have steroids impacted the human brain?
Well, Benjamin, the big S, or steroids, as they're more commonly known, are a form of hormone produced in the body. There are many different types of steroids that are produced in the body. The steroids you're referring to are anabolic steroids, which is a form of testosterone. Testosterone can have multiple effects on the body, but also on the brain. And many of the impacts of steroids on the brain have to do with the neurotransmitters in the brain, which are the ways that the neurons communicate with each other. Steroids can have an impact on the dopaminergic system and the serotonergic system and can cause anger, aggression, psychosis in the brain, and can even have long-term cognitive effects, making people less smart over time, causing something called apoptosis, which is cell death, meaning that neurons in the brain can actually die by using too much steroids.
So is this an important topic for teens? Does it affect the teenage brain more than the adult brain?
That is truly a brilliant question. In fact, steroids do impact the teenage brain differently than the adult brain, and this is a very serious topic for teenagers. Teenagers who may be building their bodies and lifting weights may be tempted to take steroids, and the problem is that their brains are developing. And the impact of steroids on a developing brain can be much more profound than on an adult brain. So all the things that can happen to an adult will happen even more so to a teenager. It's very dangerous.
Alright, Doc, last question. How can we, as concerned citizens, reduce steroid abuse for the future?
Another brilliant question. I recommend that we as a society agree to increase the budget of the National Institute of Health, and do more research into the impact of steroids on the developing brain, and then try to publicize the negative effects of steroids to reduce their abuse going into the future.
Alright, Dr. Schwartz. Thank you for your time and your valuable insights. I hope to see you soon.
Benjamin, it was a pleasure talking to you.